Inspired by the teachings and speaking style of Joel Osteen, today's message is simple but incredibly powerful. God is with you. No matter what you're facing right now, no matter how heavy your heart feels, no matter how confusing your situation looks, you are not alone. God is right there with you even in this very moment. In life, we all go through seasons where things don't make sense. Doors close unexpectedly. People we trusted walk away. Plans we worked so hard for suddenly fall apart. And in those moments, it's easy to ask, God, where are you? But just because you don't see him doesn't mean he's not there. God is working behind the scenes. He's aligning the right opportunities, moving the wrong people out of your life, and preparing blessings that you can't even imagine yet. Sometimes, what looks like rejection is actually God's protection. What feels like a delay is actually divine timing. Every setback you face is not there to stop you. It's there to strengthen you, to prepare you, to position you for something greater. Instead of focusing on what's not working, shift your mindset. Start believing that something better is on the way. God didn't bring you this far to leave you. He didn't carry you through all those past struggles just to abandon you now. Right now, even if you can't see it, God has already lined up the right people for you. The right doors are about to open. The right opportunities are on their way. But here's the key: you have to trust him. Sometimes God allows challenges not to break you, but to build your faith, your strength, and your character. Maybe today you're feeling tired. Tired of waiting, tired of hoping, tired of praying and not seeing results. You might be thinking, nothing is changing and nothing is working. But hear this clearly: your breakthrough is closer than you think. Just because it happened yet doesn't mean it's not coming. God is preparing something something bigger, something better, something beyond your expectations. What feels like a delay right now is actually God setting everything up perfectly. Say this with me and believe it from your heart: I am not alone. God is with me. Everything is working for my good. So keep moving forward. Keep believing even when it's hard. Keep trusting even when you don't understand. Because when God is with you, no obstacle can stop you. No failure can define you. And no situation can defeat you. Remember this: your best days are not behind you, they are still ahead of you. God is with you, always.